In the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to create images like this in seconds. I'll show you how to use the Canva Artificial Intelligence Image Generator. To get started, you want to head over to canva.com and either log in or sign up for a free account. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description just in case you don't have access to, or you don't know how to start here into Canva. Now focus here into the upper side and the right elements so you can sign in totally for free. Now that you have your actual account, it is time to get started with the generation of the sidebar. Now here it says what will you design today. Here what you want to do is to go for search your content in Canva. Let's start with just one design that you already have, or just go for creative design and start from something from scratch. For example, a post for Instagram. So this is totally up to you, and then it's going to be showing you the editor of Canva. Once you have access here into the editor, what you want to do now inside the Canva editor, let's focus now into the text to image option. This is like the Canva AI generator tool. To access it, focus into the left part where it says here design. Now in this part, I'm going to scroll a little bit down and try to look out for Magic Media. If you can't find Magic Media, then open a new tab. Look out for canva.com once again. And inside canva.com, just focus inside once again where it says search your content here via Canva and type the word Magic Media. So both are great ways to find out the Magic Media elements. Now once you have access directly into Magic Media, you can create images, graphics, or videos. Now that we are inside here, this tool works by using artificial intelligence to generate images based on text prompts. The key to getting amazing results is how well you describe what you want. Try to be specific. I'll type a fantasy forest with glowing trees at twilight. Let's just don't press anything, just press the generate button and see what we get. You will be noticing that there's a variety of images appear based on your description. Canva uses advanced AI to ensure the images are high quality and ready to use. So choose the one that you like the most so you can import this into the editor. So once you are now with your image already been imported, it is time to edit it. You can of course drag and drop where you want to see your image generated. In my case, I can just expand this to the whole design, and here is my image generator. You can use more than one if you wanted to, or even you can use the 4 image generator for you. Just go for add a new page and do exactly the same process. Now this is the amazing part. What's cool is that you can tweak the image style. So we can switch this up and make this a painting instead of a photo. Just select once again the style from the drop down and hit the generate again. So we have 2 generated images with this prompt that we have just created. So let's try out something a little bit more different. I'm going to be using exactly the same prompt, but this time before I hit into generate images, I'm going to head over to styles. Into styles, I'm going to go for see all. I'm going to scroll down and try to look for a painting view. Here it is, some ink print, color pencil, paper cut, stained glass, and oil painting. Let's try oil painting. I clicked into this style, and if you scroll a little bit more down, you have a different aspect ratio. You can generate an images as a landscape, as a portrait, or as the current that we currently have, which is the square. So I'm going to generate my new image, and I'm going to scroll down and add a new page. I'm going to add 2 more pages so I can get ready for my new generated images. And once again, just select the style from the drop down and hit the generate again, and the results completely different vibes. So just in case you see that there's something that you don't like, you can just generate again. Let's hit once again into generate again to see those other forms of the same prompt, but now with different views and the same style. Now you can see that there's a pattern in here, and into the upper side we have something more darker and dreamer. So that means that we need to explain a little bit more what we're actually looking for. So if I go back, I paste my description, a fantasy forest with glowing trees. Let's go and add a comma and add more specific elements. For example, dark ambience. Now I have something more descriptive. I'm gonna copy my prompt just in case, and once again make sure that you choose exactly the same style that you're looking. In my case, the oil painting, the square. Hit into generate images, and let's see what we got so far. Now if there's something that is similar of what you're looking for, but you wanted to create a prompt based into one of these images that you kind of like, then just go here with these 3 dots that you can see appearing and go for generate more like this. the application is going to be generating 3 more images, but now based into these images, not only into the prompt, but into this design that were created for the latest prompt that you chose. And now I have 4 different elements that I can choose. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the apply filters and make the image more different here into edit and focus into adjust. We have the temperature, we have the brightness, we have the contrast, we have highlights, vibrance, saturation, and much more. So with the right adjustments, I have generated something more related to lookalike that I was looking for. Now let's take it a step further. You can combine multiple elements in just one prompt to create even more specific designs. Let's open a new page, go back, and let's start, for example, futuristic city with flying cars and neon lights. You can even specify colors. We can add a red sunset to the background, for example. Just remember to go and add a comma. Add a red sunset to the background. Now, with this prompt, let's scroll a little bit down and check out the styles. I'm gonna head to see all, and I'm gonna try minimalist. And there we go. We have now our image been imported, and it does look really great. Once your image is ready, you can drop it right to any project you're working on, as we just did here, and we can use it into social media posts, we can use it into presentations, or even printed marketing materials, all within Canva's design platform. This is the part where we wanted to export our work. So export, just click into the option that says share, and choose go for download. Inside download, you can choose the file type. If you want to share this into your socials, I can totally recommend you go for the first option that says JPG. The size focus into number 1 and quality 100%. Lastly, one pro tip that I can give you to get the best of our Canvas AI image generator, this is the result generated for the Magic Media. Instead of that, you can try it out for something more specific. For example, try a mountain landscape with snowy peaks, a sunrise, and a flowing river. The more detailed, the better the image. So, can you use these images? The possibilities are endless. Thumbnails for YouTube, block banners, digital art for social media, or even book covers are totally allowed inside Canva generators. So you are free to use them into your social medias, into a book cover, or even create designs for printing on demand. And that is how you can quickly generate incredible images using Canva's AI tool. If this tutorial helped, hit the subscribe button for more Canva tips and tricks. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.